Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing in so you can access files immediately. First, confirm which Microsoft account holds your files and pick your device. Once signed in on the OneDrive app or website, make sure sync is enabled. On Windows, check the OneDrive cloud icon. On Mac, check menu bar. If you haven't installed the app, do that now. Once done, navigate to the OneDrive folder or web interface and locate the folders you want to retrieve. Now choose how to get files, sync or download. If you sync with the OneDrive app, files appear in your local OneDrive folder and update automatically. This is best for ongoing access. If you only need a subset, use the web to select files and click download, zipped when multiple items. Make sure files on-demand settings match your needs. Enable for space saving, disable for full local copies. Also check version history and the recycle bin if you need earlier or deleted versions. Finish by verifying that files transferred correctly. Open several documents to confirm they aren't placeholders and check modified dates and file sizes. If you want them permanently local, copy them out of the OneDrive folder to a different local folder or external drive. Once satisfied, sign out from public devices and, if needed, disable sync on that machine. If something goes wrong, unlink and relink the account or pause and resume sync. This often resolves stuck uploads or downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.